What we are doing here today is testing the decoding ability of the KX3, the ham central terminal and the Nue-Psk Modem. Now we're seeing the screen reception on the KX3. We've got a fairly good signal and the tuning indicator, the CW, is correct. We'll now drop down shortly to the ham central terminal and see what text it has received. Okay, we can see here that on the last message from VK4JRC onwards, we've missed an R, and I think that's about it. On the last message of the Nue-Psk Modem, we have received a correct decode, and we're just transmitting again, so we'll stay focused on the Nue-Psk Modem. Bearing in mind we have quite a good signal, about an S3, 4, and the CW tuning indicator on the KX3 is working fine. On the next test we will reduce the preamp on the KX3 by 10 dB. And be ready to decode again, and we'll compare what we get on each device. Okay, we're down to about an S2. Our CW indicator for tuning is spot on. Interestingly enough, the KX3 is giving us spaces between some of the words. Now coming down to the ham central terminal, we've received the message also with spaces, but again we're missing a couple of letters. Letters that we did not miss on the screen of the KX3. And then coming further down to the Nue-Psk Modem, we have the whole message. Okay, now what we're going to do this time, we'll go through and let this one run, but we're going to reduce the preamp side of things and see what we get with an even weaker signal. We're doing about 14 to 15 words per minute here. We have another KX3 in another room with a dummy load transmitting a repeating message and decoding it on this system here. Okay, we've got 10 dB on the preamp still, so now we will disengage it. Okay, we now have, whoops, noise reduction, don't want that. We want to get rid of the, that's him. Now we've got the preamp off. You'll notice a very low signal on the next transmission. Okay, we can barely hear it. No signal level, no CW tuning indicator, and no decoder display on the KX3. We'll just drop down to the ham central terminal, and likewise nil decoding. However, the level is still very low, but the Nue-Psk modem is decoding the signal. See the audio level at left screen. So what this proves is the Nue-Psk modem has the ability to decode CW signals at a very low level from the audio side of the KX3, where the KX3 internal decoder cannot decode the signal nor pass it to the ham central terminal. However, the other interesting aspect is when the ham central terminal is receiving, it unfortunately misses a couple of letters every once in a while. Again, we've got very low signal level, and our Nue-Psk modem is reliably decoding, and we have zero signal level and zero decode on the KX3. Okay, that completes my test. between the KX3 decoder ham central terminal and the Nue-Psk modem.